mechanic or something. Sorry, the video kind of cut out for a second there. And then we got this. So many of these things. Oh, here's a kind of an old one. Look at that. Craft King. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got another handful of those. This is an older one. So much just random stuff. Dang, look at these two big things. Look at these. That's pretty cool. Jeez Louise, look at this one. I mean, how many sizes do you need of these things? It's funny because some are old, some are new. Some are big and some are just tiny. Yeah, that one's new, obviously. So I hope that your day has been going good. Yeah, I'm saving the best for last, so there's good things coming up. Probably gonna post another video later on today about other things I found at the at the flea market. Okay, we're getting to the end of those types of tools. Last one. And yeah, that's it for those things. Dang, that was doable. But we're not quite to the old stuff yet. We still got some stuff. We got a little screwdriver there. Got some of those things. These things are new, so. But there is some old one of these. Jeez. So much things. And there's an old screwdriver. So now these are like the older stuff. So this is an older screwdriver. Here's another one of those older screwdrivers. That's pretty cool. And a pretty old screwdriver. A pretty old screwdriver as well. This is a newer one. A newer one. A newer one. A newer one. This new weird thing doesn't even have a handle. It's like that. I think I know what that's for. It's to replace like this. Another one of these. Some more of these. Some more of these. Ah, but look at these old ones, these rusty old ones. That's cool. Oh, look at this old one. That's like beast one. Wow, look at that one. Wow, that's going in my collection. Man, that was really old. Look at that one. We got an old thing of this. It's yellow small screwdriver. This thing, which is like the top of a screwdriver. And last but not least, the oldest thing in here, an old wooden handle screwdriver. That's a starfish. So yeah, all pretty old tools, but dang. Look at all that. Jeez. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video today. And yeah, I'm gonna record another one right after this. But I'm not gonna upload it right now like I am with this one, because I'm gonna upload that tonight, because I want to separate them a little bit. But yeah, that was awesome. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and leave a comment if you want to. And I hope you have an amazing day. See ya. Bye.